back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am rocking a new hair. This is way shorter. I'm not used to like wearing short hair, but this one really is cute. It works. So Kalyss Wigs reached out to me, sent me this unit to try out and, you know, share with you guys. So this is the package that it came in right here. I worked with Kalyss Wigs before, and they gave me 2 wig caps in here. So yeah, this wig just right out of the package was a bit bent, so I had to take water, mousse, and kind of volumize it up. So I fixed it, and this is pretty much what you get. This is in a T30. The price was pretty decent. It is a human hair wig, and you could feel it. It's pretty soft. It's really lightweight, and it fits really well for my big head. It has a comb in the front and straps in the back so that it could really fit you really well. So yeah, that's the front. I just moved the part right here, and I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. But yeah, this is such a great color for fall. I'm gonna leave all the information down below, including the Instagram page, and a link for you guys to get this wig, because I just love it so much. I mean, at first I was like, okay, short, you know, but I'm really liking, like, I feel like this is a wig that you can just throw on and run errands, go to work with during the summer when it gets hot. You don't want to deal with your own hair. It's perfect. Like, let me get up close so you guys can see it. I'm also going to show you guys a clip of how it looks like, you know, when it's not on. But yeah, I'm really liking this, guys. Like, wow, like this looks so natural. Like if somebody like is standing far away from you, they would pretty much think that this is like your own hair. Like, honestly, I'm in love. Like, this is so different from me, and I'm really liking it. Yeah, so yeah, this is it right here, guys. Wow. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks when you get it out of the package. Okay guys, so here it is. I took it off right here. So this is the comb in the front. Let's see if he has another one in the back. So yeah, these are the straps that I was talking about, so you can really get that fit. The parting is okay. It's not too hard, and you can easily move it around. Like, just with mousse and water, you can definitely part it and make it even look better. I've seen people on on Amazon who moved the part to the side. I tried that a little bit and didn't look quite right on me, but a lot of women on there, like, it looked really nice on them. So I would just recommend you could do the part on the side as well. But so far, I mean, not bad. Not a bad unit at all. It had no funny smells or anything like that. I am 5'10", and you guys can see it was like almost like right here around my neck area. So yeah, it's definitely a good wig. I have nothing to, you know, to complain or say about it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.